good now, friends. You can see the fan is working good, oh, so the compressor is off and the fan is off. Observe it, the flow of the blade. Mga ka-vloggers, welcome po sa akin channel. Sana'y magustuhan po ninyo yung video na ito. Paki-like, share, and subscribe na lang po mga ka-vloggers. Eto na naman po ang aking pinakabagong vlog. Right now, I have already fixed. I have put a fuse solder, but you know what? I found out that still there is no current going there to the auxiliary fan. So I tried to check the wires, and this is what I found out. Look at the wires. So that is the problem here. I will check the wires. If still until the end it's like that without look at that, corroded. It's the main problem here. So it's two wires here. I just need to put the tape. Okay, I've already put the tape, and now we will try to start it again. There should be a live wire going here. This is the wire of the auxiliary fan, you know? So I will start it again and we will check it. So right now we need to get the test light. The electrical have so many problems, the aircon is on, so there should be a power. So looks like it's working good now, Even if I keep on the wires here, there is no problem in the connection here, so it's good now. What we need to do now is to replace the fan, auxiliary fan here. So right now I will just put tapes on the wiring harness here because it's already working good now. So we need to fix the wirings here. When putting an auxiliary fan, you need to make it sure that before you put it there, before you install it, before you mount it, the fan blades are in proper position, because as you will see, as you can see, the auxiliary fan is in the front, so the air should be going inside. So if you will put this new one here, you will observe that the fan blade is not in a proper position. It should be on the other side. So what I will gonna do is I will remove this blade from the housing here. And rotate it the other way around, because the blade should be like that, and as you will see, the fan will be there, so it should be here. I need to put it like that. That is the first step when replacing a fan, auxiliary fan motor, or the whole assembly. So right now it's okay. I need to check which one is the positive and which one is the negative. Do not trust the wire codes here, the black and the blue. No, you need to check, because I have reversed the rotation. Don't trust the wires. This is interchangeable according to what you like. So I need to cut the wires here, the original ones, because the auxiliary fan is only spliced. So I've cut it. I need to use the long wire here to check which is the best rotation. So in this case, the blower should go upward, because it should be like that. So this is already a positive one. So I'll try it like that and look for the rotation. It's not good. So the positive should be the black wire, and then the negative is the blue one. The air is going up, so the positive is the black one. Okay. So we need to remove it now. Positive is the black one. Okay. So right now I have already installed the fan. I just need to tighten the bolts. So this is the new auxiliary fan here, and that is the old one. So I have already installed the auxiliary fan, and then I put all the bolts, put a new bolt, and then the wires. I will be splicing it now, and then put a tape. So before I put the auxiliary fan here, before I install it, I try to check the polarity, which is the best polarity, wherein the air will go straight to the engine. So in this case, it's already almost done now. What I'm gonna do is to just put the other wire here for the positive one. We have already fixed the relay, the wiring problems there. So I will now about to start the car, turn on the aircon and check the auxiliary fan if it's working good. The air must go inside. It should not be going out, remember that. So it's almost done. I will just start it first and then try to observe it. So right now, the fan is working good, huh? So moment, I will how can you be sure that the air is going in? So, you need to put something. Look at this, oh. If the air is going out, it will just push this tape here, oh. But as you can see, oh. Good now, huh, friends? You can see the fan is working good, huh? Oh, so the compressor is off and the fan is off. Observe it. The flow of the blade, huh? Look at the blade. The moment the compressor engages, the fan will also work. And the fan is going in, not going outside, oh. So it's okay. It's good now, folks. It's good now, my friends. So what I'm gonna do is to just put the grills on, and we are done now. So I hope all of you, my viewers, my subscribers, my beloved subscribers, I hope you learn something again from me. You see, it took almost how many hours? We started it afternoon, and because of so many problems with the electrical, with the relay, with the wiring without the fuse, so it's really it took some time, but it's just okay because it's working good now, and it will help a lot with the aircon and with the engine. So, what can I say? It's just another edition of my vlog. Goodbye, friends. Bye.